In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your microphone volume level on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select system. And on the right side, you want to select sound. And now on the right side again, underneath input, select your microphone device here. And then you can adjust your input volume by dragging the scroll bar to left or right. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.